Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Just doing a darn thing. So today I'm coming. To y'all with a hair review, and the most exciting thing is that it's my favorite company. Okay, do y'all see this? This right here, Pure Bliss. And I'm not hyping it up because this video is sponsored, because it's not. None of my videos have been sponsored so far. So this is a real purchaser review. You already know what's going down. You already know what it is. This is my true thoughts on it, y'all, for spending over $200. One of my roommates just asked me, I think, if I have sugar. Anyways, back into this review. It just makes me feel like giddy inside. This is actually my second wig by them, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the video by unboxing this beautiful box that they do give you, okay? So you guys get to see all the contents inside along with me. So when you first open it, it's like a present, right? This is what it says on the front. You just open it underneath and you're gonna see your wig. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's giving me a little smell today. It's feeling a little acidic. I don't remember if my last wig did that, but like I said, I didn't do a review on it. But the last one, like I promise y'all, the lace, because they have this HD lace or transparent lace, I don't know what it is, but it pops, sweetie. It just pops. Also in the box, how cute is this? You have like these lashes and it says, "You're so beautiful." It's magnetic, so it like closes again. There is a strap for the wig. Oh, thank you. And it's like one of those bra straps kind of thing, like the Artie clutches. They maze balls. So if you continue to open it, you can take the paper out and you're just gonna see this little baggie right here with some goodies inside. And we can go over what's inside of this bag right now. So you open it right off the bat. There's a comb. What else is in the bag? Okay, so I love this. I still have my old one. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but this right here has been through hell and water. And then this is my new one. And both of these I will be keeping, y'all, because this stuff is amazing. It's just like hair wax. You kind of, it's not too heavy and you can still flatten your hair with it and it won't burn. It's amaze balls. So also they give you another Velcro strap. They give you some bobby pins. Oh my gosh, when did they start doing this? And then they give you this adorable little clip that says "Love Me." Wow, y'all, I'm already obsessed. And then finally they give you some tweezers. I'm so mad because I literally went and bought some tweezers today. And I should have just opened up this dang thing. And that's it. That's all that's in the bag, which I feel like is a lot. And y'all, I'm about to put this in my hair right now. Do y'all see how cute this is? Continuing with what's in the box, they also give you a wig cap. And I'm pretty sure online you get to choose what color you want. Also in here is this little Love Me hair kind of pamphlet. It basically goes over this information, as you can see, if you want it, and there is contact information about that. Pause the video right now if y'all already want to know about refunds. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't think you'll be refunding this hair, okay? Okay? So now y'all, let's get into this wig. Okay then. For this wig, I actually got the Undetectable Lace 13 by 16 glueless frontal, and if y'all want the direct link, make sure you check in the description box below because it will be down there. On their website, they also have Undetectable Lace 2.0, and unfortunately the 2.0 is the first wig that I got, but they were sold out at the time. It's because they were having this huge sale. I ended up paying $236 for this wig in particular when it was originally priced for $315. It was like a, I don't know what kind of sale, but it was definitely a sale going on because your girl got like $78.55 off. It was like an online sale. You just enter the little coupon code, gives you your little sale, and bada boom bada bang, you got money off. So I was like, that's a steal. and I'm getting it even if it wasn't the 2.0. Definitely recommend the 2.0 if you can get it off their website. They're usually sold out nowadays. When they weren't as popular, they had some, but nowadays it's like people order them by the multitude, by the fish that Jesus fed all the people, the loaves, the want, like, you know, all them darn people Jesus was with, all them darn people. I took the wig out the box, as y'all can see, and the hair it is so freaking soft. You can just run your fingers through it, shedding. Play with me, play with me. It just bounced back. Y'all see that? Boing, boing, boing. Okay, so I do love the fact that it is like a full down here. It's like full. Y'all can't see me. Now y'all can see me, but now y'all can't see me, but now y'all can see. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, girl, I noticed that it was pre-bleached, and look at that. The knots, non-existent, sis. These knots are non-existent. There's a couple obviously that didn't take. There's not even like a highlight glow. Like, they didn't mess up, y'all. Like, what? That's crazy to me. Looks like this on my skin. So I'm really intrigued to see how this melt is gonna go. We're really gonna get this one, you know, on my head, and y'all get to watch. So guys, this is the final look of the wig after washing it and putting it on my head. So as you guys can see, I did lose those curls, but like I did mention, this wig is definitely a water wave, so I knew those curls were going to bounce. I can still run my fingers through it. I did use two products. For the first product, it was this Main Choice conditioner. This is curly hair and I know it can get kind of frizzy. I did blow dry it just a little bit with a diffuser, and before I did that, I put like less than a dime size amount of this in my hair, y'all. If you guys want to update a video about how long I'm wearing this wig and how it lasted me throughout some weeks, days, months, etc., make sure you hit that like button below or comment below that you want me to post a video so that I can follow up with y'all and see if it's actually worth your coins. So far, so amazing to me. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is my second time buying from the company and I did spend all of my money no sponsorships whatsoever. So honestly, I thought it was a great buy. If you guys liked this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up so that I can make more videos like this. If you want to see all my videos, make sure you hit that bell. That way you can know every time that I post. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you can always be a part of my YouTube family. You know how we do over here, sis. We are princesses. So we what? We get to do what? Bippity boppity boo the darn thing, okay? So I love you guys so much and I hope you're having a blessed day. Thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.